interesting thing to show you. This is a dog collar made by my dad. He made this for his brother, and this was in 1917. It only lacked 1 year of being 100 years old, and he stenciled his name in here, and notice how the links are put together in the chain. These hand brackets here was all done in handwork. At that time, he didn't have any machine equipment, mills or lathes or things of that nature. This was all done by hand, file works and chisels and things. And then over here, he has also on the inside here, who made this. It is William Christopher Martin. That was my dad. So my dad put his stencils on here that he made this for his brother, his dog, which was a big shepherd dog, beautiful, stood quite high, and they were down and plowing in the field in the bottoms, and they plowed up a rattlesnake's den, and the dog got bit and it died. So I guess that's whenever they recovered the collar from them at that time. But it is a beautiful, the leather work, for instance, the edges are beveled here. So it wasn't just an ordinary piece of leather, it was probably made with a leather belt that was 1 inch, because the edges of the leather is round. And it's got right here, it's got it mentioned, it says May the 1st, 1917 stenciled on here, which my dad made by hand. What a beautiful piece of handwork this is.
Hey Daddy, one more thing. You had a dog too when you were a kid.
I had a dog similar to this dog, and his name was Bow Wow. And it was beautiful, stood quite high, and was a very groomed dog. And it was the same age as I was. So when I was 7 or 8 years old, the dog was 7 or 8 years old as well.
All right. Well, thank you, Daddy. I appreciate it.